Hey guys, so welcome back to another vlog, and this week is going to be all about packing, meeting people, and just doing random things. So scared right now. How the hell am I gonna pack? So I'm gonna show you my room situation right now. I did show it to you yesterday as well, but today it's kind of like more special because we have more stuff now. And I'm just trying to sort out everything as much as I can. And today I'm just gonna sort out what all things I shopped for. I'm just gonna segregate mine and my sister's clothing. And I was supposed to film a try-on haul, but I don't know. There's so much stuff and there's so less time. I don't know how I'm gonna film or try-on haul. I will try my best to film it, and I don't think so I can film today. I'll probably film tomorrow, and today I'm just gonna sort out every single thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So I woke up quite late today. I woke up around 10:30 and I just edited a video and I put it on upload. It took me around 2 hours to edit the video, and now it's almost 15% done, and I will try and upload it by evening, like around 7 or 8. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. This is the current situation, guys. Look, these are the 3 bags. This one is my sister's and those 2 are mine, and that's all the stuff that I've got. Look, that's me in my pages. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
There is a threat to our country.
So welcome back. I hope you all are doing great, and today was a very productive day for me. I woke up a little bit late, like I woke up around 10, and I just quickly got ready and came to my cousin's place because I really wanted to film a try-on haul today, and I did try all the clothes and filmed it. So yeah, I'm so proud of myself because I was able to do it. And also, if there is a lot of voice problem, it's because the fan is quite noisy and loud. So yeah, and it took me almost like 2.5 hours to film that try-on haul because there were so many clothes and I had to wear all of them. So yeah, now I'm just sitting down to film my makeup haul and the intro and video for my try-on haul. So yeah, this is what it is, and I'm currently in my brother's room, and this is what he has on the background. Look at that. That's all of his medals, and that's Ronaldo. So yeah, and I'm filming on his bed right now because I can't find any other place with a better lighting. So that's it. I am just gonna start filming now and do all of that, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. And that's my sister hiding behind the camera because she's the one who is always there to film me. Samiksha, say hi. Say hi in my vlog. I just got done filming and I'm so tired. I just want to sleep right now, but I know I can't because I've got a lot of things to do and I'm super hungry. I'm all about unhygienic junk eating right now. Yesterday I had pizza, like homemade pizza, but I had pizza, and now I'm gonna have samosa and paneer ka pakora. Bye. My sister got this vacuum bag for me. Let's see if it works. ये रहने दो, ये वाला तो पतला सा ही है. And now we're gonna vacuum.
begin, Firuza.
I know it has. कितनी होंगी? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 around 10 है ना? Around 10 pieces. That's all of my Indian dresses, suits, etc. packed in here. So that's my blanket and my cushions. Hey guys, so welcome back. I am such a bad vlogger because I totally forgot I was vlogging today, and that's my sister in the next room shouting at the top of her voice because this is what she does most of the time. So what I did today was I woke up late and there was a huge problem with my luggage issues. Like, I was so much in a mess today that I spent almost like 2 hours talking to the British Airways on phone and calling random travel agents and everything because there was a bit of a goof up. But I think it's sorted now, and if this works, then I'm definitely gonna share it on my channel. Some of the hacks that you should know about if you're in case you are traveling abroad, because that really helped me. So if you guys want to know my experience of this packing and everything, let me know. I will definitely make a video for students traveling abroad, like what all things you have to do and some of the hacks that I found out. So if this thing works out, I will definitely share it, but so far it's still in a mess and it will figure out once I reach London. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And what else I did today? Okay, I went ahead today with my mom and bought some lenses for myself because lenses are very expensive there, and I also got two spectacles made for me, like a spare spectacles. And then I went to meet some of my friends, like two of my friends, and it was such a nice day out because I was so sick of all the drama happening since morning that it was really refreshing for me. So yeah, I went there and now I am just back in the mess. I am still trying to pack my stuff, and tonight I'm gonna pack it. Like, I am just going to pack everything tonight because I just can't take mess anymore. Like, I cannot even enter my room, and this is literally giving me anxiety now because it's been like 2 days since this room has been a mess and I've not been able to clean it. It's like I literally cannot see things like this. I'm going to show you in a bit what it looks like. So yeah, yesterday I packed all of my winter wears and all of my Indian clothes, and I did like vacuum packed it. I showed you in a clip. So yeah, I did that, and today I'm gonna pack all of my London clothes and my other summer clothes and all the utensils and everything. So my makeup and my skincare is already packed into cubes, like into random bags basically, and I've packed it. I've already packed my stationery. I just need to pack my summer clothes, my London clothes, and I'm not taking any bags with me, like just 2 or 3 bags, because I really don't want that extra luggage. I still have to pack my shoes, like almost like 3 or 4 of my shoes, so I will do that. And I've got this huge ass jacket with me which I will travel with. So yeah, in the month of July I'm gonna wear a jacket and go to the airport. Yay. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna pack everything tonight, and it's almost 12 o'clock, like it's 2-3 minutes to 12, and I'm just gonna start now and pack. I've got so many marks over here because these are like stress marks. I always get them when I'm stressed out. So yeah, that was my ramble about tonight. I don't know how this vlog is going to be because it's not going the way I wanted it to be, but still we are going to manage somehow. So yeah guys, now I'm just gonna get started with the packing and I'll see you guys later. Bye. As I told you, I will show you guys my room. So that's my sister's bag, and you can see she hasn't packed yet, and that's the mess. Like, those are all of my clothes. Can you imagine? Those are like all of my clothes lying on the floor, and there are some other clothes, and these are some of the skincare and makeup that I'm not taking along with me. No, this I'm taking. Those I'm not taking, and this is the mess. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it, but tonight is the night. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. So it's almost 3:15 right now and I'm finally done packing. So this is my bag number 1. That's my bag number 2. This is not going, and that's my bag number 3, which is like my cabin bag, and that's my laptop bag. So I'm finally done with all the things, and now I'm just gonna go and sleep because I'm so tired. Good night. Hello everyone, so welcome back, and today is a Sunday and I didn't do much the other day, so I didn't vlog it at all, and what I did was majorly packing all the things up. So today I've got Havan at my place and all the relatives, and it's like a close family affair. Like most of my close family will be coming. I really wanted to do this, and my parents had this idea of doing it because they thought that it's a good thing to start a new journey with the name of God, and just for the whole shuddhi of your house, environment, vibes, and everything. So yeah, today is a Havan, and I'm gonna try and vlog as much as I can because it's going to be crazy. I've been up since 6 in the morning and it's 8 o'clock right now. This is what I'm wearing today. It's like a peach colored suit. It's not like an anarkali suit, it's got these, and I'm wearing this dupatta, which is so pretty. Welcome back, and today is my flight. I'm right now in my hotel room and I'm just leaving for the airport. I didn't vlog much for the last 2 days because I just wanted to be with the family and chill and not do anything. You can see I've got this huge ass pimple over here, which is because of all the stress that I was going through from the last week. So yeah guys, I don't think I'm gonna vlog much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Bye.